Okay, we're gonna look at some pictures of my puppy, George. We call him Georgie as a little nickname, but I have so many more. This was him when we first got him. He was so little, he was the runt of his family. So I think when we got him, he was about 8 pounds, and he's still tiny. He's a year old now, and he is only 11 and a half pounds. This is him sleeping all comfy in his bed. He loves to snuggle. He's so little. This was him. He was traveling for the first time. So cozy in his little carrier. There he is on the beach for the first time. He's so handsome. He's my favorite thing ever. My mom calls me a crazy dog lady because I love him so much. This was him in the snow last year. He had so much fun. So cute. There he is in my niece's chair that she likes to watch TV in. So cute. There's George and my niece Lily. So sweet. I love him so much. There he was on his birthday. It's 1 year old. Got him to wear that hat. I don't know how. So cute. And my friends got me this sweatshirt made that has his face on it, which I love it so much. So cute. He loves to play fetch. He's a big chewer. Loves to play. That's it. There he is with Lily on Christmas. He's such a sweet boy.